Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Apple shortcuts using Claude. Recently, Federico from Mac Stories launched a new shortcuts playground. This allows you to create any shortcuts using natural language prompts and AI tools such as Claude or Codex. This guide specifically focuses on Claude. I am also creating another guide for OpenAI Codex. To create a shortcut using Claude, you must meet the following requirements. 1. A Mac is required to originally sign the shortcuts so you can add them to your Shortcuts app. While you can build on Windows, you need a Mac to actually add the shortcuts to the app. 2. Claude Pro subscription. You must subscribe to a paid plan because there is currently no free version of the Claude tool. I have included a link in the description to opt for a paid plan. 3. Software. Ensure that Node.js and Python 3.10 or later are installed on your device. I will include links in the description so you can follow those guides to install Node.js and Python on your Mac. Once you have downloaded and installed the Claude Code app on your Mac, available at claude.com/download, you will be ready to go. I have already installed it, so once it's on your machine, simply log in with the account you use for your Claude subscription. Next, you need to install Claude Code on your CLI. You can use a simple command to do that. So you can open the terminal on your Mac and paste this command. I have also included this command in the description. Once you have pasted it, press enter and that is it. Claude Code will install on your Mac. Next, you need to use this command to check if Claude Code is installed on your device. Check the version. If it shows a version number, that means Claude Code is successfully installed. Next, you need to install the Shortcuts Playground plugin and add it to Claude. You can use two simple commands to do that. First, to get this plugin, paste this command in the terminal and press enter. Since I have already installed this plugin, as you can see, I see a message that says Marketplace Shortcuts plugin is already installed on your disk. You will see an install successful message once you have added it to your marketplace. Now you need to install it. To install it, use this command. 1. Place the command in the terminal. 2. Press enter. It will successfully install the Shortcuts Playground in the Claude Code. And that's it. Now once it's installed, open the Claude Code app on your Mac and ensure you are signed in and fully set up. By default, you will see the chat option. So switch to the Code app and tap on the folder icon. Tap on Open Folder and create a new folder. Let's call it Shortcuts New. All your chats will be saved here. Now to create a shortcut, you can use the following prompt. Ensure you use /shortcuts playground in the beginning and include your prompt to build shortcut. You can build any working shortcut. I am going to build a simple shortcut for this demonstration. Once you enter the prompt and press enter, Claude will generate a fully working shortcut for you. During the process, Claude will ask you for a lot of permissions. You can review them if you are a programmer. Otherwise, you can allow all the permissions. And that's it. As you can see, the shortcut is ready. Claude has created it and you can find all your shortcuts in the Documents folder within the Finder app. To locate and install your new shortcut. 1. Open Finder and navigate to your Documents folder. 2. Locate the folder named Shortcuts Playground. 3. Inside, you will see that the new shortcut has been successfully created. 4. To add it to your main shortcuts folder, simply double tap on the file and then tap Add Shortcut. Once that's done, the shortcut is accessible. You can tap play to see that it is working perfectly. This is how you can create shortcuts using natural language with Claude and Shortcuts Playground. I hope you find this guide helpful.